is to help the world by creating innovative products that can change lives, one invention at a time. This is the Drought Master 55-gallon Big Dipper portable potable water generator. This unit is used for producing high-purity liquid water by condensation. Before starting, make sure you have your Big Dipper parts list available and on hand. Step 1. Remove the lid from the barrel. Cut the barrel around the inner edge with a Dremel tool or similar device. Replace the lid. Please note that the template that you see here is not provided in the kit. Please remove the wheels from the dehumidifier and draw a line around the base of the unit as a template. Don't forget to put the wheels back on the dehumidifier. Center the base of the dehumidifier by measuring 5.5 inches from either side. Draw a line around the base of the dehumidifier on the lid to prepare for cutting. Next, cut the lid with the jigsaw. Blow off and trim excess plastic. Be sure to cleanse the barrel of debris as well. Mark the faucet for install. Next, use a 1-inch hole saw to cut a hole for the faucet. Drill a hole for the off-on switch. Ensure that the off-on switch fits well into the hole that you have drilled. This is the boot in which the unit and all of its components are nestled. It keeps the components dry as well as cool. We will now secure the ring to the boot. Please secure the Kenmore 70-pint dehumidifier. Remove the back panel from the dehumidifier. Remove the front panel from the dehumidifier. Remove the coil to prepare for coating. Remove the adhesive foam backing from the top of the coil. Prepare the dehumidifier coils to be coated by placing a bag over the unit to protect it from overspray. Generously spray the coils with the non-toxic Krylon Clear Coat. Allow a minimum of 15 minutes to dry between coats. Prepare the unit by drilling holes for the wire ties that will support the wires for the pump and the bubbler. Drill a hole for the float switch wires. Cut the following color-coded wires, then trim and twist. Cut and splice an extension cord into the main power wires to power the pump and the bubbler. Lace the extension cord through the drilled holes. Secure the receptacle with ties. Tie the receptacle into the dehumidifier's power cables. Note the color-coded wires to use here in the video. Tape and secure the remaining wiring. Disconnect the dehumidifier's float switch and wire in the new one. This is the new float switch. Install the new float switch. Snake the wire through the pre-drilled hole and connect the new float to the old float wire that you cut earlier. Secure the new connection with tape and ties. Cut and splice the dehumidifier's power cable. Next, disassemble the male power receptacle and attach the spliced power cable. Secure the male power receptacle to the power cable. Disassemble the female power receptacle and attach it to the power cable. Drill a hole in the lid and thread the female end of the power cable through. Next, connect the male and female power connectors. Reassemble the coil and replace the adhesive foam. Next, install the air pump on the dehumidifier. Remember to pre-drill holes at the base of the dehumidifier so that you may be able to fasten the air pump to the unit. You may plug in the air pump at this time. Begin the reassembly of the dehumidifier, starting with the front panel and control panel. Do not forget to reinstall all front panel screws. Next, reassemble the back panel. Do not forget to reinstall the screws. Install the drain plug. Place the dehumidifier in the boot and prepare to draw a line around the base. Next, place the lid over the dehumidifier to center it. Draw a line around the base of the dehumidifier and then remove it. Place the water filter, water pump, and UV light inside of the boot. Then drill holes and secure each component with ties and/or screws. Next, install the float switch. Drill a hole for the 1/4-inch draw tube that will be connected to the filter. This tube extracts water from the barrel. Place the bubbler at the end of the 1/4-inch draw tube. Connect the tubing from the filter to the pump and then to the UV light. Notice how the water will flow from the filter to the pump and then to the UV light. Next, drill a hole for the 1/2-inch drain hose from the dehumidifier to the barrel. Temporarily replace the dehumidifier and cut the 1/2-inch drain tube to the proper length. It should reach the drain on the dehumidifier. Place the RV water filter on the drain tube beneath the boot. Drill a hole for the 1/4-inch bubbler hose that runs from the air pump to the barrel. Next, place a bubbler at the end of the tube beneath the boot. Secure each tube using ties. Next, splice wires from the adapter to ready a connection to the UV light and pump. Connect power to the pump and UV light from the transformer. Wire the power button for the pump. Connect the drain hose to the dehumidifier. Next, connect the male and female power receptacles. Install the faucet. Install the faucet water line and tape the pump switch power cables. Next, remove the entire boot assembly and line the barrel with the food-grade liner. Then replace the boot to complete assembly. Optionally, you may paint the panels of your dehumidifier to match our model using this blue Rust-Oleum paint.
Big Dipper.
This has been a Drought Masters presentation.